Well, howdy neighbor. Welcome back to Hammer and Saw Customs right here on the Big Island of Hawaii. I'm old brother Bill, jack of all trades, master of none. On today's episode, it's part 3 of the final installment of the Little Mrs. Mega Pallet Wood Pantry build. And I think it came out pretty good, great, awesome, I believe. She's tickled to death with it, so hey, that's all that matters, whether you agree or not. But come on in, rest your hands and face, grab you a snack, because you know we want you to be able to pay attention and feed that brain. Also, grab you a cold drink. By now, you guys all know what Brother Bill's favorite drink of choice is, but hey, why don't you guys shoot me your favorite drink of choice? Be glad to know what that might be. So, come on in, we'll cover a few things, and then we'll head right back up yonder to the old homestead, and we'll finish out this video with the pictures, and then the next video maybe we'll get back into the whole video. I think that just goes well with the way it's going for right now. So come on back after the intro and we'll get started. Oh man, see, I got that project set up. I need to move that project over. I got to get back to that person on that project. I need more pallet wood for that project. If it don't rain, I'll get this project done. Wow. Oh, hey neighbor, you're back already. Well, like I said, shoots. I do have a question for you guys. I know you guys got plenty for me, but how do you prioritize your projects? I like to know how you tackle projects you got around the house, projects you got in the shop, projects that you do for friends. So let old brother Bill know how you do that. Maybe we'll do something on the show on how to prioritize projects. So we got one project we're going to be finishing today, so we can chalk that off the list, and that's going to be, like I said, the Little Mrs. Mega Pallet Wood Pantry. So with that, we're going to head on up to the homestead, get that all zing zang zoomed. I hope you guys have enjoyed the new way of doing it with the picture show, and I'll even maybe put my mug there in front of it so you guys can see the scale and the size of this pantry, all entirely made out of pallet wood. So with that, you guys got any questions? No? All right. Well, you know how to do it. If you do, get those old flanges out, click clack down there on the old computer and let those fingers do the walking. Also, you know, Brother Bill's going to pander to you. You guys are doing great. It looks like we're getting some subscribers for the show almost every day. I sure do appreciate that. Thank you, folks. But if you can, if you don't, before you forget, hit that little hammer and saw custom box right down there in the corner. Shoot out some likes, comments, shares. That also goes, Brother Bill's even trying other platforms, because I know not everybody's a favorite of one platform or the other. So that's also on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, just like here on YouTube. So Brother Bill wants to thank you for that. So without further ado, let's get on to the picture show. And as always, I will see you on the other side. Dang, I still gotta get to that too. Son of a gun. neighbor. Well, I know that was a quick one, but I've spent a lot of hours going into that. I hope you enjoyed this little project. You know, it's all about inspiring you folks out there to get out, try some woodworking, try metalworking, try carving, painting, whatever. Just get out there, because as always, Brother Bill preaches that, hey, if your neighbor can do it, you can learn to do it too. And it shouldn't cost $1 million. You don't need every freaking tool out there in the big box store. If you only like 1 or 2 items, try out some cheap tools. Go to the yard sales, jockey lots, swap meets. Grab a couple of cheap tools. If you break them, so what? There's some big box stores out there that's got some cheap tools. Hey, little investment. Have fun with it. If you don't like it, well, you're not lost anything. As always, I want you folks to remember our veterans, past and present, also our first responders out there. You hear those sirens, get out the way. As always, Brother Bills appreciates his time with you. I enjoy this little project, so we do, because, hey, I'm building them anyway. Sure do like having you guys along for the ride. And apparently, you guys enjoy that too. So, until next time, Brother Bill's going to tell you, that's it right, because we didn't cover the Safety Steve thing, but Safety Steve always says to hammer on safely, neighbor. Until next time, keep it between the ditches, and I'll see you soon with a whole lot more projects. Aloha. Oh, you know what? Old Brother Bill's scatterbrained, absent-minded. Of course, we all know it's probably because of this. But hey, the youngins, the little ones, the kids, the refrigerator emptiers are now heading back to school just around the corner. So no excuses to get out there in the garage or the shop, the yard, whatever. You're going to have some time, right? Get out there and build some projects. At least you have time to watch a show. But, when you get done with the Little Mrs. Honeydew list. But, hey, just a friendly reminder. Grab you some time, set aside, grab you some tools, a couple old boards. See what you can do out there. Once again, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Aloha.